Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. What we got here? I got a dead Chrysler 300, man. It's coming in for the alternator recall. So what do? What the typical normal mechanic would do: go out there with his jump box, proceed to hook it up, then he attempt to jump the car off and get it in the shop. And what happens? Ouch! This. I was in denial, so I tried it again. Now I get closer to the car, and maybe it was a little glitch. Maybe not. It's not a glitch. So stop it. So what we need to do, man, what's going on? This alternator is shorting circuit. It's completely shorting circuit. So what we need to do is get the power cord or the power cable off of the alternator, so we'll be able to jump it off and get it into the shop. We do not want to push this thing in the shop. This bolt right here, this is the bolt that attaches the positive cable to the alternator. So what we need to do is take a 13mm wrench and eventually try our best to get this off, because again, we do not want to push this car into the shop. We want to be able to jump start it off and get it into the shop. But we know we will not have no alternator power, so we will have to live off the battery power, which is our jump box. All right, we got that off. Now let's try and proceed to get the complete cable off of the alternator, because remember, the alternator is what's shorting the circuit. That's why it's really strictly dangerous for you to give somebody a jump start, man. All right, let's see what we got now. There we have it, folks. No more spark, no more short circuits. So obviously the alternator is what was causing the short circuit. Again, this is a typical alternator T36 recall. All right, now we got power, so now I can pop the electric trunk. You need power supply in order to even pop the trunk, so we can get to the battery and jump start the car. So what do we have here? Trunk release. Trunk is now open. Now we can jump start the car. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.